everybody has masculine and feminine energy.
Divine. Yeah.
It's how you balance that out. Primarily, males have more masculine energy than females.
Mm-hmm.
Getting beyond the conversation of the spectrum, you can have whatever you want. You can, even beyond that, express whatever you want in the moment. And that's what you were speaking to about the feminine expressing how masculine. We all know that, especially in the African American community, because they've had to, women have pulled out their masculine heavy for the last 500 years because they had to. And now they're in the conversation of trying to figure out how to pull that energy back and allow their feminine energy to lean into the man's masculine energy, while at the same time, the man is learning how to regain I'm gonna call it the protection aspect of the masculine, of relearning how to be there.